Can you give it to the doggy? She got it. You can take it. She won't get you. Oh, you're running. Can you give it back to her? Oh, you got the coffee. You're gonna give the dog the coffee. Good girl, Kira.
Sit.
She's trying to tell her to sit. That's funny.
She
likes the stuff.
She's really friendly.
Oh, that's your best pal? Oh, she licked you. She's trying to sit in her lap.
So this is how it works with other people. Oh, look at that.
Oh, God. Easy, Kira. Oh, she has a pretty gentle
You never
mouth.
seem to be the least concerned.
Yeah, that's your best friend.
She's cleaning you.
See?
Uh-oh, she's gonna drink the coffee?